How to transfer Bitcoin to a Cash App wallet. Cash App offers several financial features, including balances for cash, Bitcoin, and stocks. Today we'll focus on using Cash App's Bitcoin wallet to receive Bitcoin, whether you are sending it to yourself from another wallet or someone else is transferring it to you. To start, navigate to the Bitcoin section in Cash App at the top and tap on it. Scroll down and tap Deposit Bitcoin. To find a unique Bitcoin address, you'll see two network options: the standard Bitcoin network and the Lightning network. Typically, you'll use the Bitcoin network option. Copy your Bitcoin address by tapping the copy icon next to it. With this address copied, you are ready to transfer Bitcoin. You can share it with someone else to receive Bitcoin or paste it into another Bitcoin wallet app to send funds to a Cash App wallet. Here, we are using the Strike app as an example. In the Strike app, tap Send. Then choose Bitcoin wallet and paste in the copied address. Select Max if you want to transfer all your Bitcoins from the Strike app. For speed and fees, choose Flexible if you are not in a rush to avoid additional fees, and tap Next. Confirm your transaction to initiate the transfer. Now, we just wait for the Bitcoin to arrive in Cash App wallet. Larger transaction might process faster if you choose paid option, but for a smaller amount, flexible timing usually works well. Once completed, you'll see the Bitcoin balance updated in your Cash App account. And that's it. Now you can hold, sell, or transfer Bitcoin as needed within Cash App. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.